Hello everyone, welcome to Furniture Flipping Rush. I am Chantal, and if you've been here before, thank you. It's good to see you again. Today we're going to do the easiest flip ever, and without further ado, let's get going. I'm going to give these guys a clean with dishwashing soap and warm water to cut through any grease or grime. I got these lovely bedside tables off a Facebook marketplace for 950 Rand, which is $67 for both. As you can see, they do not need a lot of work. When I'm done, I use clean water to remove any soap. Then I make sure to remove any excess water with a clean, dry towel. One of the drawers had some sticky muck in it, so I'm going to sand it down with 100 grit. Flipping furniture is not always about changing the appearance of a piece. If you are lucky to find a piece in good condition for a good price, you win. It's very little work for a profit. I'm using a damp cloth to wipe it out. I'm using a hairdryer to remove any excess water before I seal it with furniture liquid wax. To bring these guys to life, I'm going to use a furniture liquid wax. I like the finish on this piece, so I decided to leave it like this. A piece of furniture will always tell you what it needs. The handles also looks good to me. Let's also fix this uneven leg. I'm using a paper towel to remove any excess wax. I'm going to stage them so that they look their best for Facebook Marketplace. And now they are ready for their forever home. To see if these guys were sold and for how much, please watch my next video to find out. If you enjoyed this video and need to see more videos on furniture flipping, please like, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Remember, always keep it flipping good. See you next time. Welcome to Furniture Flipping Rush. Hello everyone, welcome to Hello everyone, welcome to Furniture Flipping Rush. Okay, it's good to do this. Not with eyes, smile with your mouth. Hello everyone. without further ado, further ado,